Today, we're going to be making Berrylicious Toast, created by 6 students from Madison High School in Northeast ISD. First, we're going to take the whole wheat bread and put it in the toaster for 1 minute. Next, we're going to be taking the cream cheese and put it in a microwave-safe bowl and heat it for 15 to 30 seconds. Next, we're going to be taking the cream cheese and blend it with the yogurt until blended smooth. Next, take a 1/4 cup of raspberries and blueberries and a 1/4 cup of strawberries and kiwis and cut the strawberries and kiwis with a butter knife. Next, spread the cream cheese mixture evenly on both slices of toast. Next, place the fruit evenly on each slice of toast, and you can use the rest to decorate your plate. Finally, you have a delicious, healthy snack that you can enjoy with a friend.